Hi guys, super excited that you're joining me today. We are going to take a little video quiz just to see what you know. Let's check those vowels. You ready? I, echo, I. If you wrote the letter I, you are correct. Your next sound is E, echo, E. If you wrote the letter E, you are correct. Your next sound is aw, echo, aw. If you wrote the letter O, you are correct. Let's try one of our word puzzles. Remember, what can happen when we're doing this is a sound could be removed, a sound could be added, we might have to switch some sounds around. So let's go. With your whiteboard, write the word big, echo, big. B. Try that again. B, I, G. Big. If that says big, show me bit. Big, bit. If you change the G to a T, you got it. All right, here comes your next one. If that says bit, show me kit. Bit, kit. If you change the B to a K, you got it right. Nice job. If that says kit, show me caught. Kit, caught. If you change the I to an O, great job. If that says caught, show me cob. Caught, cob. If you change the T to a B, excellent job. If that says cob, show me chob. Cob, chob. If you change the K to a CH, you got it right. Ch. Remember, CH is two letters that make one sound. Chob. If that says chob, show me gob. Chob, gob. If you change the CH to a G, excellent job. Gob. If that says gob, show me got. Gob, got. If you change the B to a T, you got it. If that says got, show me goot. Got, goot. The double O says oo, so if you doubled the O, you got it. Goot. If that says goot, show me goop. Goot, goop. If you change the T to a P at the end, nice job. All right, guys, let's take a look at the position of our lips, tongue, and teeth. You might need a mirror for this one. Here we go. I need you to pick the mouth picture that is representing the sound. Echo. If you chose picture number 2, excellent job. Notice that when you make the sound that your teeth are actually over top of your lip and air is coming out. We called this one a lip cooler because we were saying that when we actually licked our bottom lip and we made the sound, it was cooling our lip. Don't forget that the noisy brother is v. Okay, let's try another one. Choose the mouth picture that matches the sound based on the position of the lips, teeth, and tongue. Ooh, echo, ooh. Picture number 1 is representing the sound ooh. You can see that the mouth is open and the tongue is actually lifting towards the roof of the mouth and touching against those top 2 teeth at the top. This is called a lifter, ooh. And then remember, the other letter that can be represented by this mouth picture is the letter R, which is So ooh and when you make both of those sounds, your tongue is lifting. Our next sound is p, echo, p. When we make the p sound, our lips are popping. You should have chosen picture number 2. Your next sound is echo. Here you should have chosen picture number 2. When you're making the sound, your tongue is actually sticking out and your teeth are on top. We call this one our tongue cooler because when we make the sound, and th, we can actually feel our tongue being cooled by the air that's coming across the top. In picture number 1, your tongue is lifting, but this is the case where it's actually lifting towards the top. With the tongue is coming straight out and actually is outside of your mouth and resting on your bottom lip a little. All right, guys, you're doing pretty good. Almost done. Now let's talk about vowels. So when we're taking a look at a vowel, here is one, and let's see which one you pick. The sound is I. Echo, I. All right. When you make this sound, it looks like you're in a smile position, and it's going to be option number 1 or picture number 1. Your next sound is oo. Echo, oo. Picture number 2. Your lips are going to be in a circle, oo, and we actually call this a circle vowel in our class. So, very nice job if you picked number 2. I would like you to write down the letters that make these sounds. This is the mouth picture. Here we go. S and Z. S and Z. 2 answers, please. The letters were S and Z. There's the letters S and Z. S. This one, if we put our hand in front of our mouth, S, we know that that is the skinny air. All right, guys, here's your last one. Ch and J. Ch and J. CH, ch. Remember, that sound is going to be a puff of air, and J is going to be the noisy brother. All right, guys, thanks so much for sticking through all the way to the end, and I hope you have a great Remote Wednesday.